This is your home page of your Laravel. This is the home page of Laravel. This is the port where your Laravel app is running. So okay, when the URL is coming slash all hotels, it goes to hotel controller index action method. So here we have to specify the path of the hotel controller. Okay, hotel controller path. So here this is in the hotel controller. Okay, what happens is when the request is coming hotel controller index action method. Okay, so you can see over here hotel controller. If the URL is coming slash hotels, hotel controller index action method means hotel controller. So index action method. First, what I am going to do, it will be load the hotel, all the hotel information. Okay. So here, this one should be our. We have already specified the path of the path where your model is resided. So my model is resided app models. This is the model. Okay. So these are the columns. It go and get the. It will be communicate with the database and get the data. So this is the database. Okay, this is a database and get the data. So these are the tables are there. It will be get the data. So at the moment we don't have any add the data. Okay, so it should be blank. Okay, should be data should be blank. It's a get the data. And what I'm going to we have to create the simple construct method. So here we have this uh, we have to create the new object of the hotel using the new keyword to we have to create the object which is a hotel. Okay, so this hotel object we can call anywhere of the program to load the data instead of writing hotel. Okay, so this we can call it over here. So that's this how you have to get the response here. Hotel hall, but get the response you have to passing to the, but you have to get the load all the data from the database. This hotel hall assigned to here, it will be passing to hotel. Here hotel index mean we already create the inside the views. We have to create the folder hotel. Inside the hotel folder we have an index page. We have to passing the view over here. This view page I have already did it in my last video tutorial. Okay, it's a view page. Okay, it's a view page. We have created the view page. The view page we have it consists of the table. Okay, so if you want to what is a table the design. Uh, I simply how I design it simply. I have go to my Google and type bootstrap table. This is a bootstrap table. Click on this. Here we have just copy this code and paste on it here. That's the thing I did it. Okay, I nothing to do anything. Is simply I have did it the way I have shown. Okay, so after that we have changed the name of the columns, which means that these are the columns. First name, last name, handle, something like that. I have changed it like this. Hotel name, image, description, status, action. After that we have a simple load. So we have to using the for each method to load the hotel information. Okay, the for each we are using the for each to load the hotel for each to. Okay, hotel as a key the hotel. Okay, so you have to load the data, hotel name, hotel description, status, and everything we have loaded like this. Okay, so this along with the hotel images. Okay, so everything here hotel images store the hotel as inside the storage folder. We have to load all the images. We have did it so far like this. Okay, this how we have did it. Okay, simple way we are using the for loop to get the data. Okay, so this one we have discussed about after add the data into the database. So we already did it here. Okay, so this all the data should be passing to here. So let's do it. Okay, so when you register data, so here let's here you can see after run the project here all hotels. Let's check logouts. So here what are the code here logo. So here I have this code. We have do it later on. We have to remove it. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, it's working now. It's at the moment here it's working. Okay, this is admin panel. So here what I'm going to do is here first I'm going to hotel Taj. You have to image. I have get some images of the hotel. Some images. Just hotel images. Some hotel images, let's do it. Hotel sample images. Hotel. Some I'm going to get some images, so let's put it some images. So the pixel, but I just put it the one images of the hotel. Now let's select this image. Description something like that. Active. Click text button. Okay, it's working successfully. Hotel registration successfully. You can see here this image. This one I will be do it. Okay, don't worry. This one. So let's see. So here is storage folder. So the public, the images here, the images, what the image you uploaded, its image is coming here. It's coming successfully, but it not shown the path. That's the problem. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to open up the new terminal window. Here's a terminal window. Okay. So I'm going to open this terminal window. I'm going to delete them. I'm going to open up again. So here I'm going to paste this command, php artisan storage link. So the link has been attached. Now let's file and save all. Can see the application. Now it's now you can see the problem is we have to give the path, okay, where your image is resided. So you have to type php artisan storage link. If you have put it where your images reside in the storage folder. So this image has been shown. That's the thing you have to do it. Simple. Okay. So that's how we have upload the image. So let me upload another one as well. Let's check it whether it's working fine or not. So you will be clear. Okay, don't worry, this folder source code I provide you. Hotel, some hotel. I just take it this hotel. I'm going to go over here. Okay, I give some name of the hotel. I name it. Some description. Select the status as active. Click register. Here. Now it's working. Here. It professionally. You will be able to see the design is professional design. Okay, so it's working successfully well. So I'll be giving the code of the project. Okay, don't worry. Thank you for watching.